Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Komatsu WA180-3PT. PT stands for Parallel Tool Carrier. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine like this is bumping $135,000 these days. This machine currently has somewhere around 6,000 hours. The current hour meter shows about 900 hours, but it was replaced around 5,000 hours. As far as manufacturers go, Komatsu's a #2 supplier of heavy construction and mining equipment. They don't market like Cat, as they prefer to invest in R&D to make their products better. And in my 25 years of experience, they're one of the most solid and most reputable brands of equipment out there. This machine weighs 22,586 pounds. The widest point is actually this bucket, which is about 8 foot wide. The tallest point is the top of that cab, which is 10.5 feet. The transportation length from the tip of that cutting edge all the way to the back end of the counterweight is 23.5 feet. Comparable machines are like a 544D, a Cat 924, or a Volvo L60. As far as options go, you'll notice this machine has a quick coupler on it. It's got an enclosed cab. It's got an air conditioning system, but it doesn't have a belt. I guess we might fix that. At this time, we haven't done anything with the air conditioner. Inherent with all wheel loaders of this size, they're obviously 4-wheel drive. As far as the engine goes, this machine has got a Komatsu S6D 102 engine. It's got a gross horsepower of 112. This machine has got a 45-gallon fuel tank, which will run 12 to 14 hours between fuel ups, depending on your application. This engine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks. Everything on this machine works. The transmission runs through all the gears without hesitation. The top speed of this machine is 22 miles an hour in forward and reverse. Brakes stop it on a dime. You can see the tires here are maybe about 85%. 70 to 85%, I would say. They're 17.525s. The hydraulics are strong on this machine. There are no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. All of the pins and the bushings are relatively tight, considering the hours of the machine. There's very little deflection or any kind of problem in that kingpin area, that articulation joint there. You can see the cutting edge is probably about 85%. We're going to talk about the operating specs in the next clip. Okay, so as far as the operating specs go, again, this is an 8-foot wide bucket. It's 48 inches. The mouth of the bucket is about 48 inches. It's about 36 inches deep. It's a 2¼ yard bucket. The hinge pin height here on this loader is 12.5 feet, like if you were dumping into a dumpster. As far as the static tip load of this machine, it's 15,167 pounds, and basically what The static tip load is the maximum lifting capacity of this machine. The lifting capacity on this, simply stated, the static tip load is, it's the hydraulics of this machine are so strong or powerful that the machine will actually tip forward before the hydraulics give out. So the lifting capacity is limited by the weight of the unit, which, like I say, the static tip load of this machine is 15,000 pounds. Okay, this machine is being sold with a set of forks and a jib. So these forks here, they're 48-inch forks, 48 inches long. The carriage width from here to here is 5'4" The carriage height from the corner of that heel to the top of this carriage right here is 48 inches. We're going to look at the jib next. Okay, so this machine is also being sold with a jib here, so I'm not positive, but I think this is a 12-foot jib, pipe jib for that loader. We're going to run it in the next clip.
This is the quick coupler on the WA180.